Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through how to use Wrike for beginners. If you're brand new to Wrike and feeling a bit lost, yeah, don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to navigate the dashboard, create tasks, and manage your work step by step. All right, first things first, sign into your Wrike account using your email and password. If you're new here, you can also create a free account in just a minute or two. Once you're logged in, this is the Wrike dashboard. So this is where everything starts. On the left, you'll see your spaces and folders. In the center, you'll find your task list. And on the right, you might see task details or activity updates. Now, let's create a task. Click the plus icon or the new task button, give your task a clear name, add a short description if needed, and yeah, that's basically it. Next, you can set a due date and assign the task. Just click on the due date field and pick a date. If you're working with a team, assign the task to the right person so everyone knows who's responsible. To stay organized, Wrike uses folders and spaces. You can move tasks into folders based on projects, clients, or workflow stages. I mean, this part really helps once your task list starts growing. As you work, update task status to things like active or completed. You can also leave comments, attach files, and track progress in real time, which is pretty useful, honestly.